A bandsaw is a unique and powerful cutting tool that's indispensable in many workshops. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or even plastic, this tool's ability to make straight and curved cuts with precision makes it essential for professionals and hobbyists alike. But what exactly is a bandsaw, and how does it work? At its core, a bandsaw consists of a continuous loop of toothed blade that moves over two large wheels. One of the wheels is powered by the motor, which drives the blade. The material you're cutting is placed against a flat table, and as the blade moves, it pulls the material through, cutting it with its sharp teeth. Now, one of the most significant advantages of a bandsaw is its ability to make both straight and curved cuts. Unlike other saws that may struggle with curves, the bandsaw excels in cutting intricate shapes and tight turns. Because the blade is continuously moving in a loop, it can guide the material in a smooth, controlled motion, creating a clean and precise cut every time. The blade itself is usually made of steel or bimetal and comes in various sizes and tooth configurations depending on the type of material you're cutting. The width of the blade and the space between the blade and the machine's frame, called the throat, determine the cutting capacity. Larger bandsaws, with wider blades and a deeper throat, are designed for heavy-duty work, like cutting large logs or metal. Smaller, benchtop models, on the other hand, are perfect for lighter materials like softwoods or plastics. Resawing is another task where bandsaws really shine. This is when you cut a thicker piece of wood down the middle, effectively making thinner pieces or veneers. The narrow blade of a bandsaw removes less material than other saws, which makes resawing more efficient and reduces waste. Another key benefit of bandsaws is their efficiency. The blade's narrow width results in less waste compared to wider blades, so you end up with cleaner cuts and less sanding afterward. It's ideal for making detailed and precise cuts without a lot of excess material to clean up. But, like any tool, the bandsaw isn't without its limitations. For example, while it's great for curves and irregular cuts, it may not be as accurate as a table saw when making long, straight cuts. And because the blade is continuously moving, you need to maintain the correct tension and tracking to prevent the blade from slipping off. With its versatility, ease of use, and ability to cut through a wide range of materials, the bandsaw remains a go-to tool for anyone looking to make precise cuts, whether it's for a simple project or more complex tasks.